A winter story. There is a girl named Louisa. Louisa lives in Canada. In Canada, it is cold in the months of November, December, January, February, and March. The cold season is called winter. Louisa likes winter. She likes winter's cold temperature. When it is cold, the lake turns to ice. Louisa skates on the ice. She also plays hockey with her friends on the ice. When it is cold, it snows. Louisa plays in the snow. She likes winter a lot. Louisa especially likes the winter snow. When it snows, she looks at all the snowflakes. Every snowflake is unique. The snowflakes fall to the ground and everything is white. Louisa does a lot of activities in the snow. She makes snow angels. She builds snowmen. She sleds and skis down hills in the snow. She makes snowballs to attack her friends. She builds snow forts. Louisa likes winter a lot. She likes the cold and the ice and the snow. But there is a problem. It is not cold this year. There is no snow, and it's December. Louisa wants to see snow. She thinks that snowflakes are pretty. She thinks that snow is fun. Because there isn't any snow outside yet, Louisa decides to make snowflakes with paper. Louisa cuts the paper to make snowflakes. She decorates the house with her paper snowflakes. Louisa likes her paper snowflakes. But the paper snowflakes are not the same as real snow. At night, Louisa looks at the stars. One star moves quickly. It is a shooting star. Louisa looks at the shooting star and wishes for snow. She wishes for it to snow a lot. In the morning, when Louisa gets up, it is cold. She looks at the window. There is frost on the window. The frost makes patterns on the window. Louisa is very excited to see the frost, but she is more excited when she looks outside. Everything is calm and white. There is snow. Louisa is very excited. She wants to play outside, but first She needs to eat breakfast. She eats cereal and looks at the real snowflakes outside. She looks at the frost on the window. Louisa is happy. After eating, Louisa puts on her jacket, scarf, hat, and gloves. She runs outside to play in the snow. First, she falls in the snow and moves her arms and legs to make a snow angel. Then she makes another snow angel, and another, and another. Louisa makes 5 snow angels. Then Louisa makes a snowman. To make a snowman, she makes a big ball of snow, a medium ball of snow, and a small ball of snow. She moves the big ball of snow in front of the house. She puts the medium ball of snow on top of the big ball. She puts the small ball of snow on top of the medium ball. She puts tree branches in the medium ball to be the snowman's arms. She puts a scarf on the snowman's neck. She uses rocks to make 2 eyes and a mouth in the small ball. She puts a carrot in the middle for the nose. The snowman is not very big, but it is very handsome. Louisa likes her snowman a lot. Suddenly, a snowball hits Louisa's back. Louisa sees her neighbor Gracie. Gracie throws another snowball. The ball hits the snowman's head. The snowman's head falls to the ground. Louisa is angry. She wants to attack Gracie with snowballs, but she needs protection. Louisa quickly builds a snow fort. She pushes snow to form a barrier. Gracie throws more snowballs, but the balls hit the barrier, not Louisa. Louisa forms snowballs. She throws the balls at Gracie. One snowball hits Gracie in the face. Louisa and Gracie throw snowballs for a while, and then Gracie's mom calls her in to eat. Louisa walks to her snowman. It is not completely destroyed. She takes the head off the ground and puts it on the medium ball again. Louisa's mom calls her. It is time to eat. Louisa enters her house and takes off her jacket, scarf, hat, and gloves. She sits at the table and eats a delicious soup. While she eats, it starts to snow again. Louisa eats her soup. She looks at the frost on the window. She looks at the snowflakes. She thinks about skating and playing hockey and skiing, and she thinks that it is a perfect winter day.
The end. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Share your thoughts in the comments.